Well, it's Sunday, July 7th, day 2 of the Flower and Air Show. Got our driveway done. As you can see, it came out great. Got to put the top coat on it next year. Waiting for the air show to start again. It's about 10 of 3. So we'll be starting to see the jets here in a little bit, between 3:15 if it's the same as yesterday. Got some flower show, got some nice accent lights that come on. They're solar ones. And then that side over there needs some work. We'll get to that here in the next few weeks. And up front, of course. We got the ferns out front again. They just do really well out here for us. We got the potted plants here. And see, up on the front porch, we've used this a lot already this summer. Sitting out here in the morning. This plant right here came back over the winter. We had it in the garage. No flowers on it yet, but we'll see what happens here if we can get some flowers out of it. There's a driveway, nice and wide. They widened it a few feet. Added some rocks to this area for the drainage. Cheryl's out here watering, taking care of her flowers. Spends a lot of time doing that. This hydrangea here was real nice last year. Yep. Taking care of those flowers?
Yeah.
Yeah? Having fun? All right.
Yeah.
Waiting for the jets. Oh.
Yeah. If you were down there, you would get it.
Well, waiting to see if they'll make a few more passes over us. I'll see how much I can get and how good they look here on film. But they're still up there for a little bit longer, so hopefully they'll come by some more. You can hear them, you just got to keep your eyes open for them. You never know. Like there's one right there. Here come two more. Way out there doing a loop. Yeah, they're waiting to see if they're going to come by anymore. Got some of the daylilies out here. They're starting to come out. Here, got several of them around. And this one's going to be full of flowers soon. There's so many buds on that one. There's another one with a lot of buds that's going to be popping out flowers very soon. And another one, a yellow one. It's got a lot of flowers coming out on that one as well. And we got some flowers on this side. Cheryl's planting some sunflowers, see if they'll grow over here good. She started them from seed. We just put some peat moss down here. Hopefully they'll grow good there, huh, hon?
Yeah, I think so. Lots of sun.
Yeah, gets lots of sun right here, so hopefully they'll be good. And we got some climbing things over here going up the trellis. We get some of these combinations we bought already potted and just put them in a pot of our own. They came out great. There's a hanging basket. They had some really nice ones. Another combination we were able to just pick up and plant. It's another hanging basket that we got. And there's the window box this year, right outside the kitchen. And another combination we planted, got two of those. Hope I got some good shots of the Blue Angels, the jets flying around. They're very quick, and you never know where they're coming out of anywhere. So hope they came out good. They were really close. Hope it looked good. We'll see how this comes out. But I guess that's going to bring to an end the July 2024 Flower and Air Show.